Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to add a black screen with some text in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've opened up an empty project. Begin by popping over to your project panel. Go to New Item, then select Black Video. You can adjust these settings to how you please, but the default settings will suffice in this scenario. Click OK. Now we have a black video in the project panel. Simply drag it onto your timeline. You can then change the duration of your black video by dragging its edges left or right on your timeline. Next, let's add some text. Start by positioning your time marker to where you want your text to appear on your timeline. Now, click on the text tool. Click anywhere on the video preview window and start typing to add your text. You can change your text properties by selecting your text. There are multiple quick methods to select text. The first is to hover over your text, then click and drag over the text you wish to change. Additionally, to select a word by itself, you can just double-click that word. Lastly, to select all, you can either triple-click anywhere on your text, or press Ctrl-A on Windows, Command-A on Mac. Once selected, go over to your Effect controls and click on the drop-down arrow next to text. Under text, you can adjust the design properties like font, its size, and style. Under Appearance, you can modify the color and attributes such as strokes, backgrounds, and shadows. Under Transform, you can change your text's physical properties such as position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Finally, if you want to move your text within the video frame, simply choose the selection tool or press V on your keyboard, then click, hold, and drag it around in the video preview panel. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.